In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to streamline scheduling and make managing meetings a breeze. We'll be working within Google Calendar and even Gmail for those who prefer handling things through their inbox. So let's dive right in and get you equipped with this convenient integration. First, you're going to want to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Within this space, we're searching for the Zoom add-on. This is a nifty tool that seamlessly incorporates Zoom into your Google Calendar, allowing you to schedule and manage your video meetings directly from your calendar. Once you found the Zoom add-on in the marketplace, go ahead and click on the Install button. A prompt will appear asking for various permissions necessary for the add-on to function properly. Be sure to review these permissions, and once you're comfortable, click Allow to proceed. Now that the Zoom add-on is installed, we'll navigate over to Google Calendar. You can either open a new event or select an existing one, depending on what you're working with. When you open an event, take a glance over to the right-hand sidebar. You should see a selection of icons reflecting your integrations and tools. Among these icons, you'll find the Zoom icon. Give it a click to open the Zoom panel. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account if you're not already logged in. Simply enter your Zoom credentials and sign in. Following the sign in, you might need to go through an authorization step, which lets Google Calendar and Zoom communicate effectively. This step ensures that both platforms can sync without any hitches, so it's quite important. Once you're authorized, you'll see an option within your event details that says, "Make it a Zoom meeting." Clicking this is the magic step that ties everything together. By doing so, a Zoom meeting link will be automatically generated and added to the event details. This link makes it incredibly easy for you and your participants to join the meeting straight from the calendar invite. And just like that, you've connected Zoom to your Google Calendar and you're ready to organize meetings even more efficiently. This integration saves you precious time and keeps everything organized in one spot, making it easier to juggle your numerous commitments. It's especially handy for those who find themselves frequently setting up or joining meetings, providing a seamless experience from scheduling to attending. With these simple steps, managing your online meetings has never been smoother or more integrated with your daily schedule. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your scheduling as easy and efficient as possible.